Good morning, everyone. Today we are gathered here for our computer class, and our topic today is chapter number 5, Enlivening a Presentation. In this particular chapter, we have seen till date how to animate the slides, how to give transition to the slides, and today's topic is how to insert the sound in a slides. So why sound in the slides are important? For that, I want to tell that this sound effects in the presentation is used to highlight certain points. Whenever sound is there, then if anybody's voice is there, the point is get highlighted through inserting the sounds. And also it holds the interest of the audience. That means the audience also want to see the PowerPoint presentation. So it is your wish, you want to insert the sound from any file or from any kind of CD, or if you want to record your own sounds. There are two methods. Basically, there are two methods. One is to insert the sound from slide transition, and the other is through the various sound options available. From slide transition, we mean that whenever we change from one slide to another slide, you can insert sound or record your own sound and insert that particular sound in that PPT. Similarly, from sound options also, you can record the sound, you can insert the sound from any file, you can insert the sound from any clip organizer, you can insert the sound from any CD or any audio track, and either you can record your own voice. Now, our first topic today is how to insert the sound from the file. To insert the sound from the file, you have to click on the Insert tab. Once you click on the Insert tab, then click on the audio drop down arrow in the media group. Here it is, this media group is named as sound group, and this sound group you have to choose any sound from any file. So this is how you can choose the sound from any file. Once you choose any sound from any file, this particular dialog box will open, and you will insert the sound from the list of the sounds available to you. Other method is you can even insert the sound from the clip organizer. A dialog box with various options of WAV extension will be there with you, and once you insert any sound from any file or any file or any sound from clip organizer, what you will see is a sound icon will be displayed on the slide as soon as you insert any sound in your file. Once you insert a sound on the slide, on the tab menu also you will see two more tabs. First tab is Format tab and the second tab is Playback tab. Format tab and Playback tab, both tabs are available in the Audio Tool tab in the ribbon. In the Playback tab, what you can do is there are two options. One is on click and the other one is automatically. On click means the sound will be produced when you will click on that particular icon. And if you use the other option called as automatically means that after a certain period of time, automatically the sound will be produced, or when you, even if you don't touch the speaker icon. Once you play the sound, if you want to play any sound, you have to click on the speaker icon as I told you, and once you click over it, the speaker icon will be changed into play pause button. That means from there only you can play the sound as well as you can pause or stop the sound.